I am super excited for today's video, and I know it's been a while, but it's totally worth it. It's actually the Dyson Airwrap Complete Long Set, and it's finally here, so I actually can't wait to open this one and to try it out with you guys. So keep on watching! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Angeline Florpua, aka the Flying Angel. For today's video, I am super excited because I finally got the Dyson Airwrap gifted to me. So we got the Dyson Airwrap Complete Long Set, and it's the Coanda air styling propelled by the Dyson Digital Motor V9. I think this is the latest Airwrap styling that they have currently in their collection, and it comes with upgraded attachments as well, which they call Coanda. So what's included in this box? It comes with a Dyson Airwrap storage case and of course the Airwrap styler, but also the 6 newest attachments. One of it is the Coanda dryer, so I'm super excited to open this one. Okay, let's open it. It actually weighs a lot. It's written here it weighs like 3.3 kilograms. I love it! Okay guys, did you know this one is actually made in the Philippines? What? Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Great job. So now, the real deal is here. It's so pretty. It's huge. 1, 2, 3. Smells new. Welcome to your Dyson Airwrap Multistyler. So I actually got the one with this bronze color, silver and bronze accent. It actually also have the coral from Dyson as well. This one is in fuchsia, so it's actually very matchy. We have like 6 attachments in this storage case. This one is the first updated attachment. This is the Coanda smoothing dryer. This is for drying mode, quickly rough dries hair in preparation for styling, and also hides flyaways. And this one is the soft brush attachment. It comes with these ends. Up next is the firm brush, so it actually looks alike, and it both has Dyson on it. Oh, here we have the long barrels. Ooh, that's very long. This is probably the 30mm, and this one is the 40mm. As you can see, the 40 is thicker. They have both the same length. This is the inside of it. Actually a new design on these attachments. If you want to switch the direction of the curl, you just have to turn this cool tip on the opposite side, and it also works for the bigger barrel. So let's try the opposite side. Super easy, so nice. This is the round volumizing brush. Looks so good. And now of course the real big deal is the Airwrap styler itself. It's still wrapped. Ooh, yes. This is a holy grail. I don't think they actually redesigned this one. Perhaps the motor says it's Coanda air styling propelled by the Dyson Digital Motor V9. Now, I'm not aware if it's the same motor as the one before, but I did do some research, and you can actually use your previous attachment on this latest Airwrap styler. It's not wireless compared to the coral. This one is like wireless, which I absolutely love. They actually have almost the same length, but this one is so easy to bring with you when you travel. And this comes with a wire, which you can actually turn it like 360 degrees. It's long enough. I think this is to clean the filter here below. Yeah, like you have to put this around your Dyson and then brush your filter. This is actually good. Can you detach this one? Oh yeah. Oh, it's like a magnet. And you have like 3 switches. I think this one is to start, to turn it on. And these are like air modus, like very high, medium, low. And these are like temperature controllers, so you have like very hot, cool, and very low. And on the back side there's like a lock and unlock. This is probably when you want to attach a barrel. So we're gonna start with the Koanda smoothing dryer. And if I want to unlock it or change barrel, I just have to pull this down and pull it off. Yeah. Moment of truth, here we go. So we're gonna rub dry. Okay, let's switch attachments. I want to curl my hair now. And we'll take the 30mm barrel. Do I actually have to brush my hair? Probably yes. We have to take a section of hair and bring barrel towards tips. Hair will start to wrap around barrel. Here we go. Oh. It's not working. What? I don't understand. Okay, now it's working. Okay, it's not super easy. I think I still have to figure it out how to use this one. I'll try it again in front of a mirror and then I'll come back with another look. So hold on. I'm back. So this is the final result. I did struggle a lot. On this side I actually used the bigger barrel, which is a 40mm. It's more like wavy and bouncy. And on the other side I used the 30mm. Overall I think I need to practice a lot, but I do think the bigger barrel attaches the hair faster compared to this smaller barrel. And they do recommend to dry your hair like 80% of it. So now, is it worth it? I think it's absolutely worth it, but I think in the beginning you have to practice a lot. Eventually they say practice makes it perfect. I've seen a lot of beautiful results with this Airwrap, so eventually I will get there, I think. Now overall what's included in the box is good as well. You have a lot of attachments which are very useful and practical, except for the fact that I do miss a comb or a brush. I remember when I got the Dyson Coral there was a brush included and a comb. I think this is very useful, so it would be a plus if that was included as well. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have a Dyson Airwrap as well, do comment below, and if you have like other tips and tricks for me, do share it with me in the comment box below too. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!